welcome back to Steve Robb Reviews. Has this ever happened to you before? You got a window screen and guess what? All this fell right out. Well, this was given to me by a neighbor, wanted me to fix it for her, and she has a dog. And guess what happens a lot of times? The dogs like to go and press their nose up against the screen, don't they? Guess what? She tried 3 times. She's got a kit, something similar to this. She went to her local store, got one of these, got some of this material, and well, she tried fixing it herself. Did a terrific job. The problem is, if you have a pet, guess what? They like to press their nose up against the screen. And I'm going to show you a neat little hack here that I've been using for a long time on how to fix it the right way when you have a pet. Now, most times this works great. You don't need anything else except just the material that you can get at your local hardware to fix a screen. But when you have a pet, even a cat, you never know. Same thing. They like to press up against the screen and it undoes everything on you. So let's take a look. I'll show you what I do. Okay, so here we go. Very simple, very easy. Just get some of this and just kind of put it in the track. You don't got to go crazy. I mean, I'm not using a lot here, right? And I just kind of drizzle it in the track. And this stuff here gives you a lot of time to set up. You know, I'm not going crazy on how much I'm using here, right? And I just put it in the track here. Nothing fancy. And that's all there is to it right there. Okay, now you just get your tool and just line it up and just start feeding it in. I like to use some gloves because I just don't like getting this stuff on my hands. And you just feed it right to the end here. And if you've measured it right, you're going to have a little bit extra at the end here to cut off. I'll bring you back when it's all done and let you take a look. Okay, all done. This is it right here. And you can see where I got a little bit on here. But yeah, you can just wipe that up if you like. And I'm going to show you what I use. This is it right here. Really inexpensive product. It's just tire cement you use for a rubber patch. And my neighbor, she's not going to go out and buy one of these. I said, you know what? Just go to like your regular store and you can get small little tubes. It actually fits right in the channel nice. And guess what? It holds it in there terrific. It doesn't leave any color. You can't see anything. You can wipe it up after if you'd like. And it holds that seal in there so much better, and it makes it a lot easier, you know, rolling into the seam there that's made for it. So I just thought I'd give you a little bit of a hack today. I think it's a good one, and I hope you guys try it yourself. You guys take care. Come back again. If you haven't seen this channel before, you're welcome to subscribe. Cheers.